buenas, which is South American short talk for buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches. You can say it all times of day. It just means good, like good, whatever time of day it is. I am going on a walking tour provided by the hostel. And so, yeah, look how cute this artwork is. Okay, let's go.
And good night, really important. Good morning, you say alipunja.
Alipunja.
Okay, cool. Good afternoon, you say alichichi.
Alichichi.
Again?
Alichichi.
Cool. And good night, alituta.
Alituta.
Now repeat yourself. Good morning. Ali what? Yeah, alipunja.
Alipunja. Alichichi.
Ali what? No. Okay. Good night.
Alitunta.
Now guys, almost perfect. But especially in the good afternoon, you have to be careful, okay? Because I hear you said alichichi. It's not alichichi. It's alichichi.
Alichichi.
Why I say you have to be careful? Because chichi is totally different in Quechua. And you have to be careful because chichi in Quechua means hoops. Yeah. If you say alichichi, you're saying
Good boobs.
good boobs, exactly. If you want to say that, it's okay. But you have to know you're saying that, okay? In order you don't have problems. Because you see that the clock is not working.
Yeah, yesterday we passed by and it was like, oh,
it's
no,
another
that's not
work.
good.
It's on purpose, you know. But believe me, guys, I don't really believe in that. I think it's an excuse to say you don't have enough money to do the clock. And it's cute to say it's a legend, right? I don't know. Maybe you can believe in that, but I don't really consider that is the reason why the church is unfinished. Maybe they use the money in other things. Because he's not allowed to touch the private areas of the people, okay? You know what? Remember what is chichi? I told you, right? I remember. So Shama is going to do something like this, going to pass the cell phone, no, the egg, sorry, over all the body. Now the shaman knows the body of Marlene is affected by something negative. Now it's time to heal the body of her with a guinea pig alive, okay? The guinea pig has to be alive in this process. And he's going to do the same. He's going to pass a guinea pig over the body of Marlene, everything the chicks, you know? Avoiding the private areas, I told you, no? Is something like this. But now, guys, the difference now, in this process, the shaman will choke the guinea pig. Yeah, sorry, guys, the guinea pig has to die in the process. Why? Because in the moment the shaman is doing this, the guinea pig is absorbing the energies, the spirits, the vibes of the body of Marlene. Okay, so now the guinea pig is going to be ill, it's going to be sick. So anyway, the guinea pig will die. Okay, so in order to stop the suffering of the guinea pig, the shaman kills him. Now, the shaman needs to demonstrate you were affected by that spirit, because maybe you can say, how do I know I was affected? So you're a bad person, why do you kill the guinea pig? I will call the police, something like that, you know? Now he needs to demonstrate, and to do that, he's going to open the guinea pig with a knife in order to show the organs of the guinea pig, because the guinea pig is a kind of X-ray, radiography of your body, right? If any organ of the guinea pig has the same color, that bad smelling, is really black, that means that was the organ affected inside the body of Marlene, but those problems were transferred to this guinea pig. The most typical candy of Chile. When I say most typical, that means you find this maybe in other places, in other cities, but it's originally from Quito. This is the place where you have to try. Okay, the name of this candy is Mistela. Now, this is a candy, a sugar candy of course, but inside you find a surprise. Okay, I told you find liquor. Okay, I'm going to give you one, but please, I'm going to put one in your hand, but please don't push it because it's soft. If you push it, it explodes. Okay? And this is for me. Are you fine?
It was like a hard candy, and the second you press down, it just exploded. The liquor was strong.
Guys, more dogs poop. Yeah, guys. Now, guys, I don't want to spoil the information, but
cacao. The only place in the world where you can find that type of cacao is only Ecuador. Is that reason why people, different brands from Belgium, Switzerland, Germany, France, they prefer to use Ecuadorian cacao to make their chocolates. Make by hand every single bean. But why by hand? Because they need to watch the color has to be dark. That means good fermentation, good drying, and then they need to tough shapes. So, eggs gonna give you really good mixture between all the ingredients, but it's the cheaper way how to make chocolate. Usually that happens when you have a really big factory process, or maybe when you have the cheaper cacao that usually comes from Africa. Okay? So now we're gonna try our exotic flavor. We have 70% of chocolate, chili and salt. Okay? So now we're gonna try something that maybe reminds you to Christmas, depending where you're from. Who comes from England? Okay, that's gonna remind you to Terry's chocolate.
Yeah.
Yes, because we're gonna try 60% of chocolate and orange peel. In this case, we caramelize every single every single piece of ginger with organic cane sugar. Okay, and that's what you're gonna try. Do you smell the chocolate? One as the best chocolate bar with solid ingredient in our country. Okay, so the next chocolate is 60% and Ecuadorian coffee. Okay.
So the chocolate was really good. I'm not like a huge chocolate person, but the best chocolate was the coffee one, and I hate coffee. I do not like the taste of coffee or anything coffee flavored, but it was so good.